In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a custom domain to card.co. Before we dive in, here's the key requirement. Connecting a custom domain is a Card Pro feature. If you're on the free plan, you can publish to a Card subdomain, but you'll need Pro Standard or higher to use your own domain. First, let's upgrade to Pro. Log in to your Card account and look for the upgrade option at the top. Choose the Pro plan that fits your needs and complete the checkout. Once Pro is active, your site will be able to connect to a custom domain. If you manage multiple sites, make sure you're on the account that owns the one you plan to publish. Next, get your domain ready. You can purchase a domain from a registrar like GoDaddy or Namecheap. If you already own one, perfect. Make sure you have access to the DNS settings for that domain because you'll need to add a couple of records during verification. It's also helpful to decide whether you want your site to live on the root domain like example.com or a subdomain like www.example.com. Now let's connect the domain inside Card. Open your site in the Card editor, click Publish, then choose Connect Domain. Type in your custom domain exactly as you want it to appear without HTTP or HTTPS. If you're using a subdomain like www, include it. Card will accept your entry and prepare the instructions you'll need to complete the connection. Finally, verify and publish. Card will show you the DNS records to add at your domain provider, typically an A record for the root and a CNAME for a subdomain such as www. Keep this tab open, then go to your registrar's DNS settings and add the records exactly as shown. Save your changes and give it a little time to propagate. This can be as quick as a few minutes, but it may take longer depending on your provider. Return to Card and click Verify. Once verification succeeds, enable HTTPS if prompted so your site loads securely, and then publish. Visit your domain in a private or incognito window to confirm everything's working. If verification doesn't pass, double check for typos, make sure you don't have conflicting or duplicate records, and confirm you added the correct record types. And that's it. Upgrade to Pro, secure your domain, connect it in Card, and verify and publish. You'll have a professional branded URL pointing to your Card site in no time.